Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can upload your first YouTube video. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So obviously the first thing you'll need to do is create a channel, but I would imagine you've already done that if you're watching this video. So once that's been done, what you'll need to do is click on your profile symbol, then go to YouTube Studio. Then once you're on here, you should have the option to create on the top right. So just tap on that and then select upload videos. That'll give you the option to select files, so just click on there. And what you want to do is just select the video you want to upload and click on open. Then once you've done that, it'll give you the option to add a video title. So obviously just add in anything that's associated with the video itself. Obviously you can improve on making these more catchy and more suitable over time. You can do some more research on video titles if you want to do that. Then you can also add a description. So ideally you want to add part of this title into the description and add as many keywords about the video and information about the video as you can, just so YouTube can get an idea of what the video is about. And once you've done that, you can upload a thumbnail. So obviously there'll be plenty of videos on there how to do this if you want to learn the best ways of uploading a thumbnail on that. And you can add a playlist, so if you have a certain subcategory to your YouTube channel, you can make it easier for people to find your content. Then you can choose whether it's made for kids or not made for kids. You can also select paid promotion, so if you have any sponsorships or endorsements, any products, you can tick this box. Then on this is mainly about AI content, so any content that's been altered, you'll need to press yes on there, but if you haven't, just select no. And you can read through more of this information here. Most of this you can just leave on. Then you'll also have tags, so you have up to 500 characters you can add on here. So ideally you want to fill that up, but it's not as useful as it used to be. But you can obviously just add more tags to there if you want to do so. Then you'll have language and captions. You can change that if you want. Recording date and location. Most of these I just leave alone. Then you have standard YouTube license. Obviously just leave that. Then you can have shorts remixing if you want to change the settings on there. Then you can change the category to whatever the video is about. You'll also have the option to turn on or off comments and show how many likes are on this video if you want to do that. So once you're happy with all that, just select next. And this will give you the option to add an end screen, which can be quite useful. Once you've got a few more videos uploaded on your channel, you can go through this. Just click on a template and YouTube will give the viewers an option to click on another video that you may have made, and also an option to click on your profile icon to take them to your channel. You can also adjust how long that's going to be on the screen for, and then select save. You can also add cards, but that's not really that useful these days, but you can add them if you want to do that. Then select next. And I'll just let you know if there's any issues being found with copyright or anything like that. So if you're using other people's content or films or different things like that, it may flag up copyright issues. And once that's okay, just select next. Then you can choose the visibility, so you can have it on private, unlisted. So this just means anyone with a video link can watch your video. You can also have it on public, and then you can also schedule it. You can select a different date and a different time if you want to do that. So once you're happy with all that information, just select either publish or schedule. And then if you go to content on the left hand side, you'll see the videos being added to your YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.